Hey guys, welcome back to Atarion News Channel. Grab your coffee, sit back, and prepare to feel 20% smarter and 40% more suspicious of your Bluetooth headphones because today's lineup is wild. Let's jump into it. So, you know how companies always try new ways to get into our heads? Well, now they are trying to get into AI's head too. Brands are flooding Reddit with AI generated posts, hoping that chatbot models like ChatGPT will pick them up during training. Sneaky, right? Reddit CEO Steve Huffman says it's turning into an arms race. So the next time a chatbot recommends a product on Reddit, you might want to ask, was that a human or an AI who really loves toothpaste? Because that Reddit thread might have been written by someone's marketing bot named Dave. Speaking of sneaky, security researchers just exposed major Bluetooth flaws and not in off brand knockoffs. We're talking Sony, Bose, JBL, all the big players. The flaw, hackers can hijack your microphone or snatch your contacts wirelessly, all thanks to vulnerabilities in Iroha chips. So, if your earbuds start acting shady, it might not be your ex, it might be a hacker listening in. Pro tip, update your firmware, turn off Bluetooth when not in use, and maybe give those old wired headphones another look. Let's swing back to something good. Cloudflare, yes, the internet infrastructure champs, just launched a secure open source video app called Orange Meets. And get this, it's end to end encrypted based on the new MLS standard and open source. Basically, a privacy nerd's dream. No spying, no data selling, no awkward silence being shared with third parties. Orange Meets, weird name, but a great idea. Also sounds like a dating app for fruits. Now, on to something out of science fiction. Scientists in the UK are starting a new 5-year project to build an entire human genome from scratch. Yeah, you heard that right. They're going to synthesize DNA gene by gene and insert it into cells. Why? To figure out how our genes work, build better disease models, and maybe even create virus proof humans. The project's called SignHG and it's got £10 million in funding. Exciting? Yes. Terrifying? Also, yes. Because once you start building people from scratch, you've got to ask, where's the line between research and creating a real life character creator? Time for a comeback story. Straight out of King Tut's storm. Meet Aspergillus flavus, a spooky fungus once blamed for the so called mummy's curse. Yeah, the thing that gave ancient explorers a bad case of death. Turns out this little fungus may contain a compound that can help treat leukemia. Early lab results are looking very promising. So, the same mold that once cursed Tomb Raiders might now save lives. Now, that's a plot twist. Take that, Brendan Fraser. Germany's latest high speed train just hit a mind blowing 405 kilometers per hour. That's over 250 miles an hour. No cap, just racks. The Volaro Novo test train hit that speed between Erfurt and Leipzig, breaking local records. And while it's not carrying passengers just yet, when it does, brunch in Berlin and back before your toast gets cold. Just maybe don't try to sip coffee at that speed. Let's talk AI. China's Baidu just open sourced its massive Ernie model. This is the biggest public AI release since DeepSeek, and it's making news and it's making waves. Open source means devs worldwide can tinker with it, train it, improve it, or make it tell Shakespeare jokes in Klingon. With models like this going public, it's not just a race between nations, it's a team sport for the whole AI community. And finally, for those of you who live a quarter mile at a time, Fast and Furious 11 is officially racing into theaters April 2027. Yes, 11. Van Diesel says it's the final film. And get this, Paul Walker's character, Brian O'Connor, is coming back via CGI, a digital tribute that fans have a lot of feelings about. Well, will it hit the emotional beats? Will Dom talk about family for 90% of the runtime? Will a Dodge Charger jump over a volcano in space? We hope so. And there you have it, folks. 8 stories, one world, a whole lot of tech, trains, and Tom mold. Which story goes your brain buzzing? Let us know in the comments. Drop a like, slap that subscribe button, and ding that bell so you never miss a ride with us. This is Atarian News. Stay clever, stay curious, and please unplug your Bluetooth if it starts laughing. See you tomorrow.